There is because Niagara Falls, right? Am I right? Niagara Falls, am I right?
On site, right? And then Wednesday, obviously I am not available. Yeah, lots of things to think about.
Yeah, I think it used to be a structure, maybe a mill or something. Who knows? It was Laura Secord's house. The ox began to drink the water began to quench the fire began to burn the stick began to beat the dog began to bite Vicky jumped over the stile, and the little old lady got home that night.
As the berry suddenly. That could fly away, and then whoop, it was gone.
And then they were planning to go to Greece. That would be bad.
I think it's bad. Wait.
We're having a brief moment of panic. Thing that you thought that Dave should be told, I texted that to him, and he said that's very simple.
Maybe it was a little difficult for them to connect with him.
Right.
More girls than boys.
Right.
That he would have.
Dagnabbit. The first picture of one this year. Yeah. Oh man. Well,
Adventures. With like there's one is angry, one is
yeah.
I don't remember in English.
Yeah, it's about emotions.
Yeah. There's
Okay.
that